a thriving life form here, the Pacific Ocean, that loves the kind of the Point Dume area because of the rocks and the fluctuation, the ebb and flow of the tides here. But it's very sensitive. So when you put your finger in the middle, it tries to grab it. See? And he's kind of anchored on the floor here. And now I'm going to let him go. Ow! Here's his buddy. Yeah. So when I'm hard up and can't meet chicks, where I come.
Point Dume. Ba-ba boom.
Whoa.
Neat.
See that?
Yeah. Like you're back to
Dog always digging for the dirty.
Dude, that thing goes really far down there.